Are you ready for spring? We have so much snow. It's been very cold, and we did make it to Dollar Tree today. It was very busy. I didn't get much at all, but I cannot wait to craft these. One for my daughter and one for our puppy. I'll cut out some HTV. I was saving these from the specialty materials vinyl. Hey y'all. Oh my gosh, they're so great. I really hope spring does come soon. Easter will be here shortly. We'll take down all of our St. Patrick's Day decorations. Time to put up Easter, craft Easter. Oh, this made me happy. These colors. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Have a beautiful day.